Developing right now, the fight for a Supreme Court successor is on. Utah Senator Orrin Hatch, a friend of Justice Scalia and member of the Senate Judiciary Committee, says we should wait until after the 2016 election to announce Scalia's replacement. Senator Hatch goes on the record from Salt Lake City. Good evening, sir.
Well, how are you, Greta?
I'm very well, and I know it's tough for you, having been a friend of Justice Scalia and a lot of people in Washington. Tough to hear the news that he died.
Well, it is, and isn't it terrible that so soon after his death we've gotten into all this politics already? But you know, it's just the nature. These are such important positions. Indeed,
they are. Now, the Constitution says that the president shall nominate it. It doesn't say you and the Senate have to do anything at all. You can sit on it, or you can, deny it. You can do whatever you want. But do you have any thought on whether the president shall nominate?
Well, a lot of people don't realize that the president has an absolute right to nominate whoever he wants to. But the Senate has an absolute right to confirm or not confirm. And Senator McConnell has said, look, this is just too much of a political brouhaha right now, and we're going to wait till after the first of the year. Both sides will have an equal chance to elect whoever they want to, and whoever gets elected president will make this appointment. I don't see any problem with that, especially since Democrats, really a long time ago, I mean, Senator Schumer, for instance, who's a friend of mine and a very fine senator, he said back in 2007, a year and a half before George Bush left office, that if a Supreme Court nominee came up, they would not do it because this was too late in his presidency. Well, now the shoe's on the other foot, and all of a sudden we hear this big uproar about the fact that Mitch McConnell said, look, this is a political season that we shouldn't do this.
Is there anything? I mean, I can understand the Senate voting no to someone who the president might nominate if they object to him. Is there anything wrong if the president names someone and just holding a hearing to see if you have any interest in the person at all, at least just have, play it out, and then you can reject the nominee?
Well, I don't know what Senator McConnell will suggest there, or what the chairman of the Judiciary Committee, Senator Grassley, will suggest there, but there'd be nothing wrong with that, except that if you're not going to allow somebody to be confirmed as a Supreme Court justice, then why hold a hearing and why go through that? That could be done just as soon, right after the first of the year.
All right. Well, Senator Lindsey Graham suggested you. What do you think about that?
Well, well, I'm 82 years of age. I don't think the Democrats are going to go along with that. But even if they did, I wouldn't want them praying for my death right after I got confirmed. I'll tell you this: if I did get confirmed under those circumstances, you know me, I'd be there for 20 years just to spite them. It would be that would be the way I'd do it. But I get along well with my Democrat friends. I think they're wrong on this issue, but nevertheless, they have a right to their opinion.
Yeah. Senator, always nice to see you. Thank you, sir.
Nice to talk to you.